You want to know why your has not changed yet? Because every time things get hard, you give yourself a way out, you build excuses, and then you life inside them. But listen closely, those excuses you protect so much are the prison you build for yourself, brick by brick. I'm tired. Good. Champions are built from existential. I don't have time. No one is giving time. You make time by sacrificing comfort. I don't know where to start. Just anywhere. Just don't stand still. Every day, you are given two choices: level up or stay the same. And most people choose the second because stay weak is easier. Because quieting doesn't hurt. At least not today. But tomorrow is coming. And the pain of regret will haunt you forever. Look around you. There are people out there with less than you, doing more than you. No rich parents, no connections, no support, just hunger, just discipline, just rage against the life they refuse to live. And you have dream, but do you have the will to suffer for them? Dreams demand payment, not in words, but in sweats, in patience, in day without rest, in nights without sleep. You say you want success? Show me. Wake up before the dog wake up. Train when your legs are shaking. Study when your eyes are burning. Work when your heart says stop. Because success only falls to the one who refuses to kneel. Do you know what excuses really do? They shrink your world. They kill your confidence. They silence your potential. They convenience you then weakness is your identity. But hear this: weakness is a habit, strength is a decision. You decide every single day. You can either master your mind or your mind will enslave you. And once you let excuses win, they don't stop. They multiply. They becoming your personality. They burn your greatness alive. But inside you, there is a version of you that don't quite. A warrior you have been hiding. A beast you are too afraid to unleash. Let him out because the world will not wait for you. Time will not slow down. Dreams will not walk toward you. If you want to a different life, fight for it. Push when you are exhausted. Believe when no one supports you. Show discipline when no one watches you. Pain is temporary, weakness is forever. So ask yourself right now, do you want comfort or do you want legacy? Do you want the temporary high of laziness or the internal pride of becoming unstoppable? No one is coming to save you. No one will hand you to a destiny. No one owes your success. You must take it with discipline, with sacrifice, with a heart that refuses to break. So breathe and say it with me. No fear, no limits, no excuses. Because every moment you waste, someone else is becoming better than you. Someone hungrier, someone more focused, someone willing to bleed for the life you keep wishing for. What will you choose when the pain hits? Will you complain or will you rise? Stop negotiating with your weakness. Stop giving up when it gets hard. Stop getting lazy. Speak louder than your goals. The only thing between you and the person you want to become is the excuses you are chilling to break it, destroy it, bury it, and and then move toward like you have nothing left to lose. Because when excuses die, your real true power awakens. Stand tall, focus on your mind, fight for what you want every second, every day. This is your transformation, this is your awakening, this is your moment. You say, no excuses, I am unstoppable, I am level up.